So recently I went ahead and changed the tires on our Tesla Model 3 Performance. This is a 2022. We had the 20-inch Uber turbines. They look good, but I think everybody who owns the Performances with the Uber turbines will have experienced this at one point or the other in their purchase history, where they would have accidentally scuffed the rims. Now, you can scuff the rims pretty easily. That it happens, I understand that. Thank you. But this, with the Uber turbines and the way the tire setup is, the rims, they protrude more than the actual rubber, and you can scuff them pretty easily. I've had that problem on this car from day one. My first year of ownership, we spent a good amount of money in trying to get the rims repaired, and finally I've come to a point where I decided that yeah, I can't handle this anymore, and I need to go ahead and reduce my expenses in terms of replacement of tires, and then obviously going about and fixing the rims every time something goes bad. Oh, okay, got it. All right. Make sure I got it in park. Yes, I do. So this is what it looks like from the outside, and we're gonna get it washed and see how it looks. And you can feel with these lower tire, the 18-inch wheel setup, the car soaks up the bumps. Now, in my logic, again, not technical, just this is how I feel. I could be wrong, and please correct me if I'm wrong. But when you go down to a tire size, a couple of tire sizes small, you go down to 18 inches from 20 inches. I feel that there's going to be less pressure on the suspension because you'll have more rubber to soak in the bumps, and once you do that, I guess that the suspension is going to last longer. So this is all cleaned up. All right. All right.